My name is Srishi Nandwania and I have cracked NEET in year 2019. I am studying in JLN Medical College, Ajmer. First of all, becoming a medico, like of course, being very happy about it. You have just completed something you have dreamed of since so long. Then about the future, it's a very responsible profession. You have been expected to be responsible about it, and this is what you take as a challenge. Also you can take it or whatever, but you have to be in the society with, like, a doctor is a profession considered equal to God, and you really have to match that level. So yeah, as a future doctor, you have to take responsibility. This is what I think about it. About 12th class में तो फोकस मेन यही होता है कि CBSE बोर्ड्स हैं, इन फोकस ही वही होता है. उसके बाद नीट के बारे में हाँ पता था कि देना है, सोचा था, क्योंकि साइंस लिया है तो ऑफकोर्स बायोलॉजी, यू हैव टू गो समवेयर, तो पर इतना ज़्यादा उसका था नहीं. तो फर्स्ट आई हैव गिवन माई फोकस्ड ऑन माई बोर्ड्स. Then later on, after 12th, when I got my result and everything, I decided to get a drop and focus on it. That's where it starts. And from talking about after 12th to medical college, it's a bit of a roller coaster ride. It is not a fun ride or a overall tough ride or a frightening one, but it is like कि हाँ आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो आप खुश भी होते हो, बुरा परफॉर्म किया तो डांट भी खाते हो, तो सब कुछ चलता है उसमें. आप लोएस्ट पे भी जाते हो अपने और हाई पे भी आते हो, पीक भी होता है और डाउनफॉल भी होता है, सब कुछ होता है. बट व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज कि फाइनली व्हाट यू वांट यू विल गेट इट. जस्ट स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन दैट इज इट. अबाउट बीइंग टफ, वंस आवर मेंटर सेड कि कभी भी किसी को ये मत बोलो कि कोई चीज़ टफ है, बिकॉज शायद वो आगे वाला इंसान उसे ट्राई ही ना करे, ये सोच कर कि यार इनसे ही नहीं हुआ तो अपन से क्या होगा. द पॉइंट इज डोंट टेल एनीवन इट इज टफ. इट्स नॉट टफ, दिस इज अस हु मेक्स इट टफ. हम मेहनत करेंगे, हम कोशिश करेंगे तो वो हो ही जाएगा. बट जस्ट कीप फोकस कि आपको ट्राई तो करना ही. इट्स नॉट टफ, we make it tough by thinking, by our thought processes, by listening to other people. Don't do that. Just stay focused on what you want. My method of studying, I used to study with my friend. So there was just this 4 things I had. It was like study, share, solve and sustain. Study what you have to study, the topics, everything. Then share it with the friend so that you can remember it more perfectly. Then solve the questions and share it again. And then last is sustaining. Sustaining by how? You can ask questions with your friends. You can have quizzes, short quizzes about any question in all the subjects. And this is it. This is how I studied, and everyone has their different forms. So it's on you, how you study. सेल्सियस में जो मेन चीज़ आप नोटिस करोगे वो होती है डिसिप्लिन. बहुत डिसिप्लिन एनवायरनमेंट है, बहुत अच्छी फैकल्टी है. आपको जब भी डाउट्स चाहिए, लाइक एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे आपको कभी भी डाउट्स पूछने, यू कैन आस्क एनी टाइम एंड दे आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल व्हेन एवर यू वांट दैम. दूसरी चीज़, टेस्ट सीरीज़ रेगुलरली होती थी बहुत, और उनके डिस्कशंस ऑन द सेम डे हो जाते थे. जो डाउट है वहीं के वहीं पूछ लो, और अगर उसके बाद भी आपको डाउट होती है तो आप कभी भी पूछ सकते हो. दिस वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट इट कि आपको कभी भी जब भी डाउट आता है आप पूछ सकते हो, क्योंकि डाउट्स लाइक किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे नहीं आते, कभी भी रात को सोते सोते भी आते हैं. तो यू कैन आस्क एनी टाइम यू वांट. Same distance, the difference between Celsius and other coaching institutes was discipline only. Discipline and the regularity of it. That is it. This is the main thing that makes the difference. Small things makes the difference, and this is it. Every student have their own way to follow and to grasp things and everything. So what you need to do is listen to everybody and everyone's method and just hit and try them out. Whatever you feel is working on you, or you can manipulate it a little, you can improvise it a little and use it for yourself. This is how you should prepare. But the main thing is solve as much as questions as you want or as you can, so that you can be perfect in these things, because the questions are all kind of same, but the concepts are same. You got to remember them, sustain them, and this is being done with the help of practice only. Only thing that can do this is practice. Suggestions for NEET aspirants is, do not stop yourself from anything you like doing. Just limit those things. Don't do them overly. Like if you like to write, or if you like to have any kind of hobbies, just don't stop yourself from doing that, because the best state of mind when you can take out the best of yourself would be when you are happy, and the mind would be happy when you do what you like. So just don't quit those things, just limit them up. This is what you should do, and this is what I did. So, or stay focused, please don't waste lots of time, but yeah, don't stop yourself from doing what you like. Physics, biology वाले बच्चे वैसे भी मानते हैं कि टफ होती है, तो physics is like, when I first gave the exam or attempted it for the first time, it was like I didn't score much in physics. I liked physics since 12th only, but I didn't score much because MCQ is a whole different kind of thing to study about. So first I got, I think, like around 50 marks or something out of 180. Physics is not that good achieve or anything. Then you start by practicing. So our teachers used to say that they suggested HC Verma, they suggested MCQs like previous year MCQs, NEET MCQs and JEE as well, and all the other books like DC Pandey and their own, and the modules they created for us. They suggested us to do all that things, but the first thing they said was, first you have to study it, first you have to learn the concepts. फिजिक्स स्टार्टिंग से ही टफ होती है बायोलॉजी वालों के लिए, जाहिर सी बात है, क्योंकि वो लोग मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ते, क्योंकि मैथ्स से थोड़ी हेल्प हो जाती है, उसमें इंटीग्रेशन वगैरह अपन सीख जाते हैं. बट इन बायोलॉजी तो फिजिक्स से एकदम जीरो से ही स्टार्ट होती है, सब कुछ वहीं से शुरू होता है. तो 12th में तो ऐसे, जब 12th के साथ अपन अटैम्प्ट दिया था, मैंने दिया था, तो आई डिडंट गॉट मच, लाइक 50 और समथिंग आउट ऑफ 180, आई डोंट रिमेंबर दैट. But later on, I started my preparation with Celsius. So teachers used to suggest HC Verma and the modules they create for us, and they are really good if you study them. But if you don't, you cannot expect much from it. So first you start by practice. Practice is what that makes everything perfect, and this is how physics can be studied or everything. First, how I prepared for physics was I solved HC Verma for the first time. It sounds tough and it sounds like another level for physics, but if you solved it once ना, there is this thing कि HC Verma में हर तरीके के questions का एक question आपको मिल जाएगा, और अगर आपने 2 बार भी HC Verma solve करी है, when you solve it, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा किस टाइप के questions होते हैं और किस तरीके से question पूछ लिया जाता है. और एक बार जब ये चीज़ पता चल गई, फिर उसके बाद तो क्या ही चीज़ है, ये पता चल गया, उसके बाद आप MCQ सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको पता है कॉन्सेप्ट कौन सा लगना है, क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व होना है, ईजियर मेथड्स. फिर टीचर्स आपको बताते भी हैं ईजियर मेथड, हाउ टू सॉल्व दैम ईजिली, और ट्रिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग इफ़ यू आस्क देम टू. तो और डाउट सॉल्विंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको आएंगे ही फिजिक्स में, हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप फिजिक्स पढ़ रहे हो और डाउट नहीं आ रहे. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो मेन पॉइंट्स बिटवीन स्टडिंग फिजिक्स इज सॉल्व HC Verma if you can, but I think you should. Then ask questions and solve as much MCQs as you can. Start by NEET previous year MCQs, then by JEE previous year MCQs, and you'll be there where you wanted to be. I think